Hello everyone, welcome to Bruder World 4209. Today I'm unboxing one of the tallest Bruder products I have ever owned. This was also an awesome Christmas gift for my parents, the Mac Granite Lieber Crane. This is a Bruder classic, a must-have for collectors. Let's get it open. Let's get rid of the box. Let's look at some features. We're going to start off with opening doors. Show an opening hood. And we have an opening cab right here. Something really cool, probably the most iconic part of this, which is the crane. Then you can hook it in. You can hook this, and as you might notice, it clicks when you turn it. But also you can pull out the handle and just let it go. That's one really cool feature on this. So yeah, I don't even think this is fitting in the camera. I'm gonna check and see. I just hope it does. Oh my gosh, it is out of the camera. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm sorry that you guys cannot see it. Right here, we have an opening compartment that opens and closes. There's nothing in it. We can store stuff in there. There's also an opening compartment here, and you can open it on the other side. This can come off, and you can fill it with like dirt or something to keep the crane from falling over if it's got a heavy load. So this is pretty much how the outriggers work. They actually lift the entire crane off the ground. And also you can see it, the crane is entirely off the ground, as you can see from the spinning wheels. So yeah, let's put this all back. That's pretty much how to use it. Let's check it out, used in a real life situation.